Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're checking out this new toilet seat that I just picked up. My old one was kind of getting in bad shape, so grab this one. First thing, this has soft close, so that's awesome. If you got young kids in the house, you know there's always just throwing this thing down and making a lot of noise. Not only is the lid soft close, but also the seat is soft close as well. Right there you go. You see it is soft closing. It does go pretty slow, but it is moving. So just be wary of that. It's going to go nice and slow. Another cool feature on this here is these things back here. You just pop those up like that. And then watch this. This slides. And then you just pop this off. Makes it easy to clean back here. As you see, I do have one of these bidet attachments. So if you do have one of those, yes, it will work with that bidet attachment. If you don't, it's going to make it really easy to get back here and clean everything. So just know that you can use a bidet attachment with this as well. And then to install it, you just push it back on there, give it a nice push so that it clamps back in place, and then lock these back just like that. Close these down and you are good to go. Overall installation on this was really easy and simple as well. Just has these two little screws that drop down inside of a little wing nut that drops down underneath, and then you screw it in so you don't have to worry about those old plastic nasty pieces underneath there. I think I might actually have the other one around here. I don't. I think I might have already disposed of it. Yeah, it's over there in the trash can. But the old ones, having to grab up underneath, no more of that. You just slide it in, screw it down, you're good to go. Easy install. Absolutely love this thing. Highly recommended. Go ahead and check it out.